Sweet, savory, and meaty kahit walang meat. Barbecue tofu. Let's start cooking. So we are making like a char siu or a pork barbecue without pork. Ang gagamitin natin as our protein is tofu. And I will just cut it into half. Ganon siya. And what I will do, I will score it, no? Pa-XX lang natin. So what we want to do is we want to increase the surface level where our barbecue sauce will be able to penetrate our tofu. Yan, yan. And let's make our barbecue sauce. So soy sauce, just regular soy sauce, or you can use Japanese soy sauce. Brown sugar. Ito, pang-umami and a bit of spice. Korean chili paste. Garlic. Yan, and sesame oil. And we will marinate our tofu. Here, I just have a piece of aluminum foil. Put it there on top. Sweet, salty, garlicky. Dapat medyo generous tayo dito. It will create like a glaze, no? So, papasok na natin siya. And ito, the highest temperature. So, I'm using 200 degrees. And I will bake it for around 10 to 12 minutes. And I will just put everything inside. Laki ng aking air fryer. And be careful. And let's begin to air fry. Please grab a copy of my cookbooks, Simpol 101, Simple Kitchen Secrets, and Baking Simple, available at Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Kaya add to cart na. Sisilipin natin yung ating tofu and look at that. It's beginning to have a very nice glossy exterior. And what we will do, we will brush more of our barbecue sauce para medyo kumapal-kapal talaga yung ating barbecue glaze. Dun-dun-dun! Look at that, di ba? Guilt-free, no? Guilt-free na char siu. Slide it. Oh, with all the sauce, look at that. Who would have thought na tofu siya made in your air fryer? Look at that, di ba? The perfect looking barbecue. To taste is to believe. Sobrang niyang malasa. Sobrang sarap niya, as in super satisfying. Ating savory, spicy, no meat barbecue tofu. Simple!